Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, we can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the other way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so let's continue with the pairing. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and we can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. Okay, once the watch is done booting up, and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping on the screen, find the language you would like to use, and tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will be asked if you want to pair your watch with a phone. We want to do this, so press the start button to confirm, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. You can tell by the QR code on the screen. And now we need to download the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone, and you can use the QR code to download it. I'm gonna use the App Store. Let me remove the app first. Okay, so to download the application, you can use the QR code like I said before. Basically, you scan the QR code with the camera of your phone, or open the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And on the list of applications, you should see this app, Garmin Connect. You can tap on it and then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open to open it. In the app, you will see this pop-up about the Bluetooth. Tap on Allow, and then you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can always create an account by tapping on a button right here, Create Account. And once you make an account, you can use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Sign In, check the box, tap Next. And now I need to enter the email and password, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, we can then tap on Next to log in. And after you log in, you may see more pop-ups about permissions, for example, notification permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use it, tap on Allow. And also the app should start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch automatically. If it doesn't, you can always try to re-enter the pairing mode by pressing the back and start button, and then it should detect it. Now tap on Connected, Pair, allow or deny the permission for notifications. Next. Here we can set up the sleeping schedule. This is useful if you want to use do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically, if you're wearing your watch and sleeping, it will have the notifications muted so it won't disturb you during sleep. And you can tap on Edit to customize it. You can change the bedtime, wake time, and the days on which it should be active. You can check them or uncheck them, and then you can tap on Done. Next. After you're done, tap on Next. Here we can select the preferred wrist and tap on Next. Then we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your calendar, like events and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap Skip and keep it disabled. If you want to allow it, tap on Allow and Allow. Here we have the location permission. This is useful if you want to use features like local weather, tracking stuff on the map when you're running or cycling and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap on Skip. If you want to use it, tap on Allow. Next, we have the phone permission. And then we can tap on Sync Now. Finish. And here we have a tutorial about our watch. I'm gonna tap on skip. And right here we can add a Wi-Fi network to our watch. This is useful if you want to download the applications on your watch, maybe updates and stuff like that. Anything that requires a faster internet. And to add the network, you can tap on add network, or if you don't want to, you can tap on setup Wi-Fi later to skip this. I'm just gonna add one for the sake of the video. So let's tap on add network, find the network you want to connect to, enter the password for it. And once you enter the password, tap on next to connect. Okay, then tap next, finish. And you should see the home page of the app. On the watch, you will be able to adjust the font size, text size. So adjust it to your liking and then press the start button to confirm. Then you can select your favorite activities. You can press the start button, open the different categories, find the activities you like, check them, and then you can tap on done. And at this point, you should see the watch face on your watch. And if you go to home page in the app, you will see the icon of the watch right here, or you can tap on more Garmin devices, and it should be right here on the list of devices. So that's how you pair it through the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it from the iPhone for now. Okay, and we're gonna pair it through the settings. So basically, to pair the watch with your iPhone, you will need to enter the pairing mode, of course. And to enter the pairing mode on your watch, what we need to do is to press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Then we need to scroll down through the menu, find the watch settings, tap on it. Here we need to find the connectivity, tap on it, phone, and pair phone. It will enter the pairing mode. Now you can download the app if you don't have it, and then open it. I don't need to log in anymore because I'm already logged in. So I can tap on this big plus button right here, or more, and Garmin devices, and tap on that device. It will start searching for the nearby devices. It should detect our watch. We can tap on connected and basically do the same stuff as we did before. Preferred wrist, location permission, sync now, finish tutorial. You can add the network, but I'm gonna skip it this time. Finish. And the watch should be here or on this list right here on the Garmin devices or in the devices page. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.